real quick. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Alec, as you already know. For our first video, the best one of the three. Right? Yep. We are currently going to a car show. It is Saturday at 10:12. And you know, it's about to be lit. It's about to be lit.
That's all you say in these videos.
It's about to be lit. Anyways. Alright guys. We're about to put this in time lapse. And now. Now.
Now.
No, now. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Now.
Did Oscar go out?
3, 2, 1. Now. Alright guys, so we're not even at the car show yet, and we've seen an Audi R8, super nice, seen an Audi R8, there's
they still make
that right there,
no.
2 Ferraris,
We're not even in the
Ferrari,
we're not even in the show yet? No.
We've seen, I don't even know how much we've seen, but it's crazy. Look at this thing.
Just show them like the inside.
Look at this thing.
Get the engine.
Look at that engine, Ferrari. That thing is. Oh my gosh! Right, you guys are about to I can't even right now.
This is ridiculous.
You're welcome, fellas. I can't even right now. We've got 2 R8s right here. Check this bad boy out. V10 R8, and then over here we have a Viper SRT10. Look at this, back-to-back Vipers over here. I think this red one looks even better.
No, we're at, I don't know what
I'm digging
we're
this.
in Celebration down outside of
Guys, I can't even fathom how amazing this looks.
This is insane. Like, absolutely insane. Bro, just look at this.
Yeah.
That is like one of the meanest hoods. That's a mean hood.
Probably the best part of this car show.
That's dope. Daddy, it's for sale.
Alright,
Buy it.
This is awesome, guys.
Daddy, it's for sale.
Like, we've been to car shows before, but this one is like top 5.
This is the top 5 in the
world.
country.
Country? Okay, top 5 in the country, guys.
One of 75 cars that came to the States, and one of 35 with the track package. That's insane.
AMG Mercedes. Look at the front. We got Lightning McQueen right over there, boys and girls. Ka-chow! Alright. And then right over here, we have the Cobra. This thing is insane. We have Lamborghinis coming up now. Wow, he just showed us. Here, this guy has a GoPro.
We win.
Alright guys, Lamborghinis. Check this bad boy out.
Lambo time. I'm not even gonna take pictures.
What kind is that? Look at this thing. Lamborghini Aventador. That is so nice. Jake, what do you have to say right now?
I don't have anything to say.
Alright guys, peeing my pants. Oh, look at that. Butterfly doors. Alright guys, a couple more McLarens over here. And then we have an Aston Martin. That thing is crazy.
I haven't seen anyone yet.
Lamborghini Hurricane.
I wouldn't lose.
Gosh,
If you
how many
didn't,
Ferraris there
if
are?
you didn't hear that, we're on Ferrari Row.
Jomo. God, I'm hungry. Fuck.
That's my life motto.
Hey.
Lease now for. Oh yeah, Dad, you got any pocket change? You want to lease this for $1,700 a month? That is the definition of a bucket seat.
I want to see if they have a bathroom in here. Okay.
Look at the interior. The skulls. Look at the size of that thing.
Show the whole boat.
I don't know how well you guys can see this, but as you can see, 6'1", and that's all it goes up to. That's just a little bit big. That's only one engine. They have 2 of those. It must suck to stay in there all day. Corvette.
What was that? I think they're revving up.
Yeah, someone rev something. You want to go over there quick?
I really do. Let's go.
Let's see what they're doing.
No.
We don't know what they're doing, but we're trying to find out.
Look at that. Oh no.
Oh, that's what made the noise.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, this place isn't fun. This is kind of boring. Very boring. Scratch that. Like, I don't even know why we came to this. Here, go turn around next to it. Let's see whose butt's better. I don't know. It's close.
There's me.
Probably can't hear a word we're saying, but this is insane. This car is like dope. Found the GTRs. I told you a car's on.
It's over there.
Is the blue one leaving?
No way.
Blue one's leaving! Run! We running!
Alright guys, so that blue Lamborghini that you guys just saw literally went down there the street and just revved, bro. That thing was loud. Alright.
Like, I want one of these, and I want to get a matching Challenger for my dad. Because this is one of my favorite cars.
This is going for sale by the end of this year or so.
I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna buy it. Okay?
You should get 2, one for the weekend.
One for me
I
too.
didn't think about that.
You want one for me too?
I need one
the
for
way
the
I would do
weekends.
it.
See? Smart man. Very smart man. This is cool.
I missed it.
I'm getting it. Take 2, please.
Why only 2?
Because LaRon's not here.
Orange trim.
With the touch of black. Insane. We VIP section? No. Look up. Oh my lord.
It's yours, right?
Yeah. One of one.
That's
One of one.
Yeah.
guys, this concludes our video. Hope you guys enjoyed.
Thanks so much for watching, and new video coming later this week, hopefully.
Like, comment, subscribe. Deuces.
See ya.